Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you a simple and minimalistic website that I created as a personal web page. For example, if you click on About, you can learn more about me, a resilient and research-oriented student who embraces every opportunity regardless of the outcome. If you want to contact, there's an email, there's a LinkedIn, black and white colors on the socials. Yeah, I'm active and everywhere. And on a support, click on the Patreon, be the member, you will see. Recently I created open community on Discord. We have 144 members. That's good actually. And there is accomplishments, success, failures. I'm introvert on site, I'm introvert online. Interests, I love the startups. Over the 50 hackathons. Most of them failure. I learned a lot of cool stuff. I gained knowledge. I worked with different people, director of companies, senior engineers, interns on Amazon, Microsoft. I don't care about failure. I love cats. You can see a lot of projects. Currently, I'm working on Comet AI, a software development company. You can check here. There's everything and it's open source. And the founder startups I found video tutorials is mostly about my YouTube tutorials, and the written tutorials is mostly on Medium. I post on Medium. And the courses, how to solve practical tasks using Python programming language, some short articles on Medium I post, and stories. It's really short, but it's really cool actually. Interesting links. This is interesting. 30 research papers and research papers. Only my university rejects warm words about me from different people. The most interesting part is random day 1. I have some Joy News Korean carpet factory. We won the challenge. And also random day 0 with students who works for Lucid Motors, Mercedes-Benz and Meta and Stanford. I write some short story, won the challenge, was a cool girl, dinner with the speakers, do not hesitate to message me, and Y Combinator, awaited part, the most awaited part. Yeah, it was my first attempt, I gained the experience, yeah, it was cool actually. 2022, billion, relax, black, this is the lo-fi, you just listen to music, not into black screens. Click on the relax light. It opens up the white page.